episode of Wild Unboxing. It's kind of windy, so I hid behind these shrubs. I bought some things on Amazon. The box got kind of damaged though. So this is gear for the Arizona Trail. I got two things in here. Since last summer I haven't had a base layer. Because the one I had from the PCT, I tried to make into a t-shirt and it really failed. So I looked around for a lot of different options for a base layer. Everything I saw was either too expensive or it would hold sweat. So I bought the same thing. It's the Helly Hansen Leafa. My last one was like the most breathable base layer that I've ever used. So, I don't like the stripes on it, but what can you do? They've updated it. The back panel has sewing on it now. My last one was just a solid piece. Maybe it fits better. Oh no, the chest does. Maybe I ordered the women's. It has a man on it. Maybe it makes you look stronger. This feels very tight. Does this look weird? Or it's on backwards. Does this look backwards? The tags and the... It's way too calm. Okay, second piece of gear. Since I started backpacking, I've been using this Tika R Plus by Petzl. It has like a sensor and it brightens and dims as the light comes and goes. But it's really heavy. I think it's like 4 ounces. The things I want in a headlamp is rechargeable, kind of bright, but it doesn't have to be, and like light and small. When I hiked the long trail, all that I used was the flashlight on my iPhone. Now I bought this, the Petzl Bindi. Max power 200 lumens, can shine for 36 meters and last 2 hours on that. The regular setting is 5 lumens and lasts for 50 hours, or in between it's 100 lumens for 3 hours. So that should do the trick. So it comes with the headlamp and a recharger cord. This guy's tiny. Push and hold the top. I feel like it will be comparable to my iPhone. Do I look cool? This thing pivots. Apparently it goes out all the way. Not all the way that way. The pivot's kind of annoying. It's got a red light too, right there. Size comparison. It's a pretty big difference. And this one only weighs like a little over an ounce, I think. An ounce and a half or something. So yeah. Those are my 2 new gears. Thanks for watching. Don't make me do this again.